Justice, Summit, Worth, Burridge, Posen, Willow Springs, Midway Airport, Burbank, Evergreen. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County and northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kendall County and northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yorkville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Romeoville, Plainfield, Shanahan, Minooka, Shorewood, Rockdale, Crest Hill, Lisbon and Crystal Lawns, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 258. Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 130. This includes Joliet Junior College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.